Good morning, guys. All right, so today you're going to review for your quiz. Um, Today's probably the day that I'm really bummed that I can't actually physically be there, but I actually am here. I'm logged in right now watching what you do. I've had to start wearing blue light glasses for those of you who are on your Chromebooks a lot. Grab some. I got them super cheap and they've helped immensely. So your review is going to be two parts today. First thing you're going to do out of your packet, you're going to do page 5. You're going to do 3 through 8, and you're going to check those informative. So that's there. If you go to Google Classroom, it's all there. Um, so you're going to do 3 through 8. The other sheet, Miss King is going to pass out to you. It has to do with the triangles. So your quiz is going to have two different things on there. It's going to be the parallel lines with solving for the variable, knowing whether alternate interiors or same side interiors are equal, do they add up to 180, that kind of thing. And also just making sure you remember those angle pair names as well. So just knowing whether you add them together, set equal to 180, or do you set them equal to each other. The other thing that's on this quiz is basically what we spent the last half of last week on, the triangles. And that is going to be on a separate sheet that will be, if it hasn't already, get passed out to you. Um, the only thing that you're going to see different informative is the very last problem. The very last problem, I added a couple of, like one extra, maybe two extra questions to it. There's a reason for that. Hint, hint. Um, so make sure you're trying that out as well. And again, I'll be watching you. I'll be trying to help as much as I can along the way. And then for your viewing, if you would like, later on this evening, I will be posting a video of me walking through every single problem one by one. So if you're someone who is really stuck or doesn't know how to do something and you just don't like, and maybe I'm not reaching out to you, I'm sorry. But check back in Google Classroom later on this evening, and there will be a video of me walking through every single problem. Um, and at that point, if you're still lost, still confused, reach out to me, send me an email. Don't hesitate. I was gonna do a Google Meet, but I think you guys are gonna be okay. Um, you've been doing really well on this stuff. So I'm going to keep an eye on today's assignment. And if I see that you are struggling or some people are struggling or whatever, I might reach out to those. But I really think that you guys are going to do really well. Um, so tomorrow is the quiz. You will get a paper copy and then you will be inputting your answers on Schoology. I know some of you guys don't like to do that, but you will get a paper copy. And then my plan is to find a way to grab and get those your paper copies before I come back, so that I can get them graded. That's really where like the partial credit will come in. So I will kind of take the grade that Schoology gives me, but then if I see maybe you showed some work and then you typed maybe a 15 when you should have typed a 16, that's where I can help you out. So show as much work as possible. I think that's it. If there's any further questions, reach out. Again, make sure you're typing your answers in today. If you don't do anything today, I don't know how you're going to do on your quiz. So it makes me a little nervous. So try these out. And then I'll be reaching out. You'll probably be hearing from me throughout the hour. Have a great Monday.